Mga kaibigan, just to continue, tayo may maiiyak po sa lahat ng mga nangyayari po sa mundong ibabaw na ito, Ama. So, lahat po mga kaibigan, I just to talk and to answer the questions because we have so limited time for this, mga kaibigan, because I am from the wake up in the early in the morning because we have a lot of work to be fixed, mga kaibigan. So, I would like to ask that I am not an expert here for you to have a concrete opinion, an idea from me. But I am here to reiterate some of those informations that I being read, mga kaibigan. So mga kaibigan, regarding for the questions, those people who are distracting or removing for the poster of those politicians who are posted in different areas which is qualified from the Commission on Elections, mga kaibigan, or they are following the instructions of the Commission on Elections, and the private individuals who are removing that without the prior consultations to the Commission on Elections, or they are not belongs to the deputies of the Commission on Elections, mga kaibigan. I am here today to discuss with that or to reiterate a little bit of an information, mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan, I am here to discuss about that is a biggest violations under of the omnibus elections here in the Philippines, mga kaibigan. If I think, mga kaibigan, is PD 881. So that is pwede po tayong makukulong from 1 year to 6 years about that, mga kaibigan, when we are removing a poster from our politicians, especially right now are coming the elections this May, no, mga kaibigan. Do not do it that, mga kaibigan, if you do not like for that politicians, and then make it that let it go, no, hayaan mo sila. You are not to destroy, or you don't have right to distract that kind of poster because magkakaroon ho ng aberya ang buhay mo dyan, no, mga kaibigan. It is because there is a law will provided on that, no. We will be going to imprison you, and that is a violations under of the revised penal code, and there is a Republic Act will be protected on that, mga kaibigan, if you read the law. So you must be to read the law. Do not make it to your emotions and your mindset about that, mga kaibigan, because bawal ho yun sa batas, no. Huwag niyong tatanggalin yan, lalong-lalo pa hindi kayo deputized ng LTO, or there is no command from the LTO naman, the command from the Commission on Elections, no, mga kaibigan. So it is not good for you to remove or to distract or to destroy any poster from our politicians who run different aspect of the politics, no. Wala ho tayong karapatan doon, mga kaibigan. Only having the rights, or there is a qualified agencies with that, mga kaibigan. It is the Commission on Elections. If the Commission on Elections commanded to you that to remove that, mga kaibigan, and then be sure na ikaw naman po ay kasapi doon, no, sa sinasabi ko po, no, mga kaibigan. Do not destroy any poster or distract or remove anything about the politicians na nandun yung mga mukha nila. Kahit hindi mo gusto yan, huwag mong gagawin yan. Kasi nang babastos ka ng batas, nang babastos ka pa ng tao. Yan po ang aking sagot, mga kaibigan. So, I hope so, nasasagot ko po, no? If you want, and then go to research about the law, no, mga kaibigan. It is provided by law, mga kaibigan. So yan na ho, mga kaibigan, just to understand law first before you doing anything in your life, no. Kasi pag nire-remove natin yan, dinidistract natin, sinisira ho natin, lalong-lalo na gipanggisi, no, dili na siya pwede. There is a law well provided on that, mga kaibigan. That is violations to the under of the Omnibus Elections Code here in the Philippines, and also under of the revised penal code, and also under of the Republic Act 906 or 9006 here in the country, here in the Philippines. I hope so you can understand with that, mga kaibigan. Wag magpapadala sa mga bugso ng damdamin, kasi that is the play game of the politics. We are the people to choose who are the best among the best of that politicians who run in the politics, no? Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Sana po ay nasagot ko po, no? I hope so. I am so happy and so glad to be with you, mga kaibigan.